Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Subtask in Ticktick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Ticktick app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can start organizing your task efficiently. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll see several options including Today, Inbox, or any custom lists you've created. Go ahead and click on your preferred option where you want to add subtasks. This could be your daily tasks, inbox items, or a specific project list you're working on. Before we proceed, here's an important note. You actually have two different methods to add subtasks in Ticktick, and I'm going to walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever feels more convenient for your workflow. Let's start with the first method. Locate the task you want to add a subtask to, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Add Subtask. This action will immediately create a subtask field directly below your main task, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Once the subtask field appears below your task, you can start entering your subtask name right away. After typing in your first subtask, press Enter to quickly add another subtask if needed. You can keep pressing Enter and adding as many subtasks as necessary to break down your main task into smaller, actionable steps. When you're finished adding subtasks, simply click anywhere outside the task area to save all your changes automatically. Now, let me show you the second method, which works great if you prefer a more detailed view. Click directly on the task you want to add subtasks to. This will open up the Task Details panel, where you can see all the information related to that specific task. In the bottom right corner of this panel, you'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. From the menu that appears, select Add Subtask. This will open a designated field where you can enter your subtask name with more context and details visible on screen. After entering your first subtask name in the field, you might want to add more subtasks to further break down your task. To do this, click the Add Subtask button that appears below the subtask you just created. This will generate another field where you can enter your next subtask name. You can repeat these steps as many times as needed until you've fully organized all the components of your main task into manageable subtasks. And that's it. You've successfully created Subtask in Ticktick using both methods, making your task management more detailed and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.